welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer ES. Now starting off the front, I'm going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. From the front end, what really stands out to me is the fact that it has got that clear bonnet protector in the front. Now on top of protecting the bonnet and the windshield from stone chips, it does show me that the previous owner really cared about their vehicle and has gone through that effort of looking after it. On the 2015 models, you do get that nice shark nose front end there with the chrome surround for the front grille. You've also got those really nice headlights with the black interior, which does look absolutely stunning. Indicators are built into that side of the headlight, and the whole paintwork on the front of the vehicle is actually in remarkable condition for a 2015 model. First alloy wheel, nice chrome and gunmetal grey kind of look to it, and you have got near brand new tyres on this vehicle as well. That wheel is completely unmarked. Now if we make our way along this side of the vehicle, you've got the colour matched side mirrors and door handles with the indicator built into the side mirror there. There is also that chrome garnish on the door, which does make it look really nice. It stands out with the titanium paintwork. Side skirts on this model do give it a very sporty look, and all the edges and curves do make the car look really nice. Now if I am being super picky, there are one or two very minor touch-ups in the doors, but we have gone through the effort of touching that up for you. There's also one on the back there, but we've touched it up for you, so it's not going to be an issue later down the track. We have got the weather shields fitted to the front windows, so if you wanted to put your windows down in the rain, you've got that option. On the inside, seat bolsters are all in remarkable condition, so really well looked after there. And if we have a look at that next on the door, where people get lazy and kick the door open, very minimal scuffing there as well. Making our way along this side of the vehicle now. As I mentioned, a couple touch-ups here and there, but nothing really major. That next wheel is also completely unmarked, still brand new tyre on there as well. On the back here, we do get that nice high-mounted spoiler in the back, which does look really nice. The angry tail lights, which were continued into the next model Lancer as well, and the Lancer badging and the Mitsubishi badging on the boot there as well. If I just open the boot up, for a smaller size sedan, you do get an incredible amount of boot space in here. Now if I lift up this floorboard real quick, I'll show you, you do get a space saver spare under there with the jack. Closing that back up, the paintwork all along the back is in really good condition. Once again, a couple of minor touch-ups from where people scratch the boot when they put things in. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, and that next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked. Paintwork on this side is actually in remarkable condition, so I can't fault this side at all, even if I am being as picky as I have been for the rest of the car. And onto that next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked. So for a 2015 model, it's not often you get 4 completely unmarked alloy wheels. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic Mavic engine. It is a 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine with a single-speed CVT transmission. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, with 7 airbags. Power output is 110 kilowatts with 197 newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 59 liters of 91 fuel, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.2 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 819 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Lancer now, just in the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. Now front and driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is the lock button for your power windows as well. Above that, the toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand side here, you've got 2 blank buttons and your traction control switch if you wanted to turn your traction control off in the Lancer for whatever reason. On the right hand stalk, you've got your indicators and headlights, and on the left hand side here, all your washers and wipers. On the steering wheel itself, it's a very comfortable vinyl steering wheel. You've got your cruise control settings on the right and all your media controls on the left. You've also got your hands-free call settings down here below the steering wheel. If we, on the right hand side of the cluster as well, there is an info button which lets you change what you see between the clusters. Moving on into the middle, as you can see, we've got that radio with all the hard buttons on it, You've got CD input, AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth hands-free as well. Just down here, you've got your climate control, so you can set the temperature with the right one and set your fan speed and vents with the other two. Just under here, we've got a bit of storage and a little more storage where you can put some coins or something with a friendly reminder engraved into there to not smoke in your car. Just in here you've got a covered 12-volt socket, so once again no cigarette lighter because we don't smoke in our cars these days. And the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the right, you can switch through the gears manually. Got a bit of storage back here as well. Two nicely covered cup holders, does keep it nice and tidy when you're not using them. A hard handbrake, and back here a leather wrapped center console, which when you open it you have got a fair bit of storage in there as well. Now if we pan around the interior quickly, you will notice that the whole inside of this vehicle is in remarkable condition, so very well looked after for a 2015 model, and on this kind of kilometers it is a very beautiful vehicle inside and out. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Lancer. As you can see, in this kind of condition you're going to want to protect it, so please ask us about the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and protect it against a variety of environmental damages such as UV, fading, oxidization, bed droppings, bat droppings and much more. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan, because that will give you 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, and protect it for the next up to 10 years of Platinum Roadside Assist. The other thing I would highly recommend, if you are using our in-house finance, please talk to us about your finance packages, because Julie or Mario would love to fit everything into your payments and show you just how minimal the change is if you were to add all that in. The other thing is go have a look at our Google review. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us, we make the process easier, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. Now, if you have any questions, the number is 990 70 555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.